Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Market got a bounce yesterday. Today, however, it's still very weak. Came to near the mid channel of this falling channel on the SPY and printed an inverted hammer, so upper shadow selling. It closed in the green, the volume is green, but weak. Post market is down a couple of points, so 520. And still very tricky. It needs to come back above 525 and then start building some base there, which will be a consolidation. Then we'll see which direction it goes. If it breaks through the descending trend line and the ATMA, then the potential to go test the 540 and the 50 SMA. But for now, as long as price remains below the 50 SMA, we are in bearish territory. So remain cautious. It is possible we'll get a bounce and extend it since we are a channel bottom. But the current formation, I don't like it, again, because of the upper shadow and down in the post market. So if this one opens lower, tomorrow breaks below today low and then start heading down, it will go retest yesterday low, 508, 509, and then below that, the next support is 500 and 492. I don't think it's going to do that right away, but it's possible within the next few weeks. Whatever triggered this mess past few days is not over by any stretch of imagination. So all this thing has to be digested. And again, this past 2 days, just a bounce, right? So let's see how it behaves moving forward. Remain cautious. So the SQQQ, this one, as you can see, is printed in hammer with lower shadow buying off the ATMA candle somewhere around 837. So this one, if the SPY goes lower, this one has a potential to extend. 10 is the resistance, 1059, and then 1130. Support is the ATMA. CrowdStrike hit the first target today, 225, came near the second target, 237. Didn't quite make it, so 35 is support, but we're tightening stops. So basically, today low, 20, 20, and then 215, 221, 215. Please go back to the level. I'm looking at today low. That's the level that for me is the primary level, and then to RKT. This one is a swing that is working. They made a brief rally to 1870 and then backed off. And the technicals remain bullish, good volume, 3 days in a row. Target 1930, 2050, and 2170. Support is the same, 1730, basically today low. And further down, 1630, yeah. TGTX intraday was a day trade, a good move, following earnings, big volume, and it's attempting a breakout, currently holding the trend line. If we get some follow through, 2350 and 26 are the targets. The support is 20, and today low 1860, very volatile, and it's biotech. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.